After modernizing your enterprise analytics strategy with Power BI and QuickLaunch, what has been the biggest impact at your company?
We were a customer early in the game, end of 2018. It's really been interesting watching the company become data-driven. And that's not the way we were 5 years ago, not even close to that. Just a real cultural change. When you're looking at the changes you make with the business data, sometimes it's a bit hard to measure. What we did is we provided the manager with an ability to look up and get a customer statement and pull all the data together for a customer. That would take the AR manager half a day to 3/4 of a day to gather up all the information. Now it's 15, 20 seconds, puts in the company's name, pulls it all up, captures the screen, sends it off to the customer. The customer says, "Oh, I guess you're right." Sends the money, and then hopefully the truck's on its way in an hour. There's value on both sides. There's value that you can measure better. There's things where we've got huge measurables, and then there's a whole bunch of things where we just know we're doing a better job at making better decisions.